With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Right, this is our question. Here we are told that a typical 3D printer creates objects by laying down layers of ink one on top of another. The average thickness of layers depends on the caliber of printer. For one particular 3D printer, the average thickness of layer is 102 micrometer. When creating a 1-inch cube, the printer takes 6 seconds to lay down each layer of ink. Approximately, how long should it take the printer to create a 1-inch cube? So firstly, here we have some conversions for micrometer to meter and inch to meters. So firstly, we know that thickness of cube is equal to 1 inch, and we know thickness of single layer is nothing but 102 micrometer. So now, number of layers. Why are we finding out the number of layers? Because we know each layer takes 6 seconds to be laid down. So if we can find the number of layers in the cube, we can multiply it by 6 seconds to find out the time it takes. So now, number of layers in cube is nothing but 1 inch by 102 micrometer. But this we cannot divide directly because they are different units. Hence, what we need to do is first convert this 1 inch into micrometer. So, as given here, we know 1 inch equal to 0.0254 meter. M represents meter, and we know 1 meter equal to 10 to the power 6 micrometer. Hence, we know 1 inch equal to 0.0254 into 10 to the power 6 micrometer. Since 1 inch has this many meters, so if we multiply it by the amount of micrometers in 1 meter, we can find out how many micrometers are there in 1 inch. So now that we have this value, all we need to do is replace it here to find the number of layers. Number of layers is equal to 0.0254 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 102. We are able to divide them because both of them are in micrometer now. And when we put this value into a calculator and find out, we get the number 249 layers. Now, this is the number of layers, and it takes 1 second for one layer to be laid down. So time taken for 249 layers is equal to 249 into 6. When we calculate this, this is 1494 seconds. Here we have to do one final conversion because looking at our option choices, all of them are in minutes. So we have to divide by 60. So time taken in minutes will be nothing but 1494 divided by 60. This can actually be simplified to 747 divided by 30. If we divide both numerator and the denominator by 2, and this equals to 24.9 minutes. So when we round When we round off 24.9, we get 25 mils. So looking at our option choices, we can see that option B equal to 25 is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.